Let's draw a ladybug. First, draw the ladybug's head. Add the ladybug's body. Draw ovals for the eyes and notice where they are placed. Now draw the irises. Add little circles for highlights. And draw the eyelashes. When you color your ladybug, the irises and eyelashes will be black. Leave the highlights white. Draw the ladybug's mouth. Draw 6 little legs. Add the ladybug's spots. Draw the antennae. Add a background for the ladybug. And color your beautiful ladybug. Did you know ladybugs can be different colors and have different numbers of spots? This step-by-step drawing is from Fairies, Mermaids, and More Pretty Things drawing book and comes with starter drawings that make drawing super easy and fun. Subscribe to see more awesome drawings.